Hi, welcome to Woodshop 2.0 Tactile Product Designs here at Littleton High School. My name is Brian Jernigan, and this is our story. We have empathy driven education, industry school collaboration, and inclusive design. We took woodshop and reinvented it with 3D scanners, 3D printers, CNC machines, and lasers. First and foremost, we are a fine woodworking program through the Red Rocks Community College. I am certified there to provide concurrent enrollment classes for my students where they earn college credits. So this is the driving material. Wood is our driving material, and everything that we do as design and prototype engages students. So here is a shot of our class. What you can see here is you can see different projects in different stages. So wonderful lab that we have in place here. Lots of trust from my administrators to arrange and make it the best way possible for our students. So at the root of this, we're inventing, designing, and manufacturing. We're kind of turning it on its head where we're getting ideas that are from like authentic needs and giving students the opportunity to use wood and other materials to make those products. Now, to do this, we needed lots of new equipment. So here's some of our CNC machining that came in. It was a very big challenge getting it through that door. If you want to talk to me later about that, it is quite a story. So these are our epilogue lasers. And then here's our 3D scanner that we purchased. So this is the software that's allowing students now to take their designs and to really just bring them to life, scan them in, replicate them, 3D print them, change the scale, add things to them, and just really, engaging them in unique and individual ways. So right here is one of the products that was made for one of our partners. This is a tactile map of downtown Littleton to help teach and navigation skills for visually impaired individuals in their program. One of the things I'm excited about for this project is we added 3 laser engravers and cutters into our program. Students love working with this machine. It's fast, it's easy to use and manipulate, it's powerful, and it's a laser, right? So it's really been a game changer, allowing students to have access to this equipment. Now, CNC machining is something we added to our program this year. Well, we expanded it. Here you can see students, putting together some tables that they designed. However, it was always the teacher putting in the materials for the students and running the machine, which was big loss for opportunity for the students. Now we have 4 desktop and 2 larger CNC machines, expanding our capabilities. So really, just want to showcase that students, if they can think it, they can make it. Wood is a wonderful material. It's organic, it's natural, it's fun to work with, and kids just, every time rise up to the occasion. Here's a Technology Student Association. So we did some outreach with this program. We had crowdsourced some of the design actually to members of the Technology Student Association. So here students were able to sign up for our conference and use some of the tools that were purchased with the grant in order to come up with tactile blocks for the Anchor School for the Blind, which is a client that we added later on. And here's some of the 3D printed scaled up versions of the blocks. Just high level of engagement. So I think it's important to see the end. At the end, it's a lot of work to organize this. It's a lot of work to coordinate the curriculum. But man, is it worth it? I mean, students just take ownership of their lab. They're proud of their space. They're proud of what they can do, and they enjoy the stories that come out of the students' projects and their solutions to their design challenges. And thank you to our partners. And this was a great opportunity. And thank you for the time. And thank you for watching.